is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back down to the shop. Fresh off of vacation last week, we were down in Florida and it was so warm and nice. Now we are back to the wonderful Midwest where it is quite a bit cooler, but that is okay. It is dangerous to take a week off around here. You know why? Because Ovi and the guys just keep grinding. I feel like I am miles behind just by pulling up to the shop today. There is so much done that I'm excited to show you guys. It's gonna be kind of hard to stay on track, but again, if you want behind the scenes updates on things, make sure you go check out the new Instagram channel. It is trying to get off. It is taking some time and effort. It'll go eventually. And also on Snapchat, Ovi posts all kinds of things on his story. So go ahead if you guys are looking for some behind the scenes and other ways to interact with us, get on there. But when I pulled up today, I seen the trailers back in action. The other RZR, the Turbo RZR of Ovi's is on there. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys or not. Obviously his new one that we're gonna see in this video. We kind of looked at it in the last couple videos, but we didn't get the full unveil. It is fully done and I'm stoked to show you guys. Tons of progress, 4-seater back together. Sean's cage is fully built now and off to paint. I believe it's coming back tomorrow. There's tons of behind the scenes footage I'm seeing on the GoPro that I'll save for that unveiling, but his RZR is gonna be totally sick, and then we'll be able to wrap up this 5 RZR build series because the guys are gonna get ready for the Badlands here in just a few weeks time. We've been hiding the project vehicle from you forever. We're gonna get right back to diesel truck builds after that and keep doing the RZR stuff, keep doing the truck stuff, and everything that we love here on the channel. So thank you guys for the overwhelming support. We're gonna get in the other shop and look at Ovi's RZR, and I am going to film some updates with the project vehicle that's been hidden for months now. It's so close, and you guys are gonna absolutely lose it over this thing. It is so freaking cool. I shake every time I see it. It's just so incredible. You guys are gonna love that build, and I can't wait to show you. We have like 6 videos made for that, so do not think we've been slacking by any means. We're just trying to do a reverse build series on that because we think it's so epic. So I'm gonna get over there. We'll show you guys the RZR, but real quick, guys, if you haven't heard of DS18, make sure you check these guys out. Not a sponsored video on this round, but maybe someday we can work with those guys, but they have been super awesome. We're gonna do some shared stuff on Instagram, so make sure you guys go see the profile there. It's gonna be epic. We got a lot of stuff planned. Those guys are awesome, but top of the line audio. You guys will see it. Just get on there. It's mind blowing what these guys can do. So let's get over and see Ovi's RZR. Voila, guys, this thing does not even look at all the same from the bone stock form that it was bought in just last year. It was a marketplace find. It was a great deal, and it was stock as stock gets. And you guys, if you've seen the series, you've seen this thing be completely transformed over the last several months, and it just looks absolutely incredible. I'm gonna try my best to take you guys through this. This is the transformation video, so make sure you guys go back and watch. I'll try to put some clips in here, obviously, of the before, but look at how hot this sucker turned out. It looks absolutely menacing. The white goes absolutely crazy. Love the lights on here. And the big tires, obviously these are going to be the hostile UTV wheels. They look so good on the RZR Pro here. It's not even recognizable now because it's completely debadged. All of these pieces before were black. Ovi bought a paint setup. We did a whole video on that. I feel like I might be repeating myself if you guys are a subscriber, but if this is the first video of ours that you've clicked on, you are missing a ton of stuff. Shameless plug there. But all these panels were originally black from the factory, sanded down, powdered, cleared, and now they just look so hot, and the debadged look goes absolutely crazy on here. Got the driver's seat out of it still. It's still got to go back in, but again, open that booger up and take a look inside. The screen is probably the highlight here for me, but it is so cool. Obviously got the YouTube channel on there now, but this is so crazy. Went through, what, 3 different style screens before settling on this one, so this does it all. I don't even know how it works, but it's just crazy how it's got everything on here. Ovi would have to tell you more about that sucker, but there's the brand. A Toto, whatever, there it goes. But there's the screen. Looks absolutely crazy. The white setup goes hard. If you flip up here, you can see Ovi's got some custom lighting all the way up in here. I'll try to get them to turn on. There's some speakers, the DS18 that we've been talking about. How do you get them lights on, boy? There it goes. Probably interior lights. Look at it, all lit up. This is deck boarding, or I don't know what you call it, for your boat. Like the flooring, the vinyl flooring on your boat. That's what the ceiling is made out of. Look at how hot that goes with the teal, with the white. And there is the big bad speakers right there. Absolutely incredible. These things are made for wake boats, UTVs. They make all kinds of crazy things. These suckers were hard to get on here. Ovi had to fight them in there, but that's what you get with custom projects. But look at how crazy. And all the lights change colors on there. I don't know how it works, but I know they look so clean, so epic in here. The custom cage, obviously, guys, look at how crazy it looks. So again, Ovi bought steel, bent it himself, welded it, did all the work on this, then shipped it out to PNC Coatings to have it match the fleet. He's all about that white and teal. So it matches the other Polaris RZR Turbo, and then it matches the trailer, gonna match the truck. You know how these things go. But look at how crazy. We'll step up here so you guys can get a good view of the roof panels here. Looks so hot. And then you know we gotta have the overtime diesel etched in there. It's so crazy how he got that in there. And what is that? Some sort of resin. I can't remember what he told me, but look at how cool that is etched in there. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, we'll keep moving along here. Just so incredible. Then you can see on the back, the white shocks in the back here. Looks like got some lighting going on there. I don't know how you cut that on. What's that other button? Probably rock lights. Yo, there it goes. Gosh, I'm terrible. Look at the rock lights. Holy smokes. Guys, this thing is a showstopper. I feel like it's a show vehicle. Look at how crazy that is. Move around to the back. Again, more custom painted panels by Ovi. The cage just goes so hard. Looks so good. Then overtime diesel in the back there. And then the custom exhaust that he welded to. Went with the single outlet exhaust on there. Looks so good. We have clips of that in other videos. I won't just keep repeating myself, but man, look at it from the back. Boy, that stance is incredible. Yes. Passenger side, nice wheels, the lights, the whited out. Oh, look at the back, guys. There it is. Look at them speakers, boy. This is so sick. Gosh, I freaking love it, guys. This turned out so good. What do you guys think? What's the best part of that? Man, try to get it from the front again, but just wanted to show you guys a full walk around because we did not do this justice at all. That door closed, boy. Come on, boy. Yeah. There she is. That's money right there. Looks so good, man. So how about that for a RZR transformation? That is so insane to think that less than a year ago, this RZR was completely bone stock off marketplace, and now it is in this crazy combination. I'm gonna hold out on you guys to put this thing next to the other RZR with the Lambo doors on the white trailer, on the crazy truck. It's gonna be such a wild ride, seeing all those together in one place, and also gonna see this thing in action. If you're like, Joe, this is boring, it's not moving, it's gonna be moving. So make sure you guys do stick around and subscribe to the channel. The guys are taking all the RZRs out to the Badlands here in just less than 10 days, and it's gonna be so incredible. If we see any of you out there, that'll be awesome. If not, we'll make sure to bring the content to you guys and see all these RZRs that we've been working on in action, and it's gonna be so cool. So let us know in the comments your favorite thing about this build. What would you change or wanna do different in the future? But just wanna thank you guys for all the love and support, and make sure you stick around for the content. Love y'all, peace. Fine, I'll show you guys. Here's the trailer out here. Obviously, it's still dark this morning, but here is the big turbo RZR. Just so you guys believe me, I'm gonna have two matching ones, white and teal. These got the Lambo doors to flip up if you're new to the channel. And then the trailer, white and teal. Okay, we're getting too crazy here.